Okay, Marcela, I hope you're well. Okay, so I have logged in as you. You can see right here, here's your picture, and here's your name, okay? So I'm in the platform as you right now, okay? So let's walk through how to work in the platform. The easiest way to get to where your work is to click here on your learning path, okay? Induction for pedagogical leaders. So we click here, okay? And so here is where I was saying that you needed to fit. These are modules. Okay, so we have one, two, three, four, five modules. Don't worry about this. This is for me. Okay, and these are units. Okay, so in the getting started module, there were three units: introductions, collaborative tools, reflective practice. Okay, so here it shows that you only finished 91%. Okay, so I showed, which is 33% of the getting started module. Okay, so um, let's walk through on how to do this. Okay, so 91% complete. So if we click here, if you'll notice when you click on here or start, this opens in another tab. Okay, so on these right here, if you can always click try again. Okay, so on these particular activities, okay, um, so let's just say, okay, do this. Try to cover every aspect of your professional life. Don't do that. Include something about your life outside of teaching, where you live. Do that. Upload a photo of yourself. Do that. Okay, so we click finish. And so this will give you the feedback. Okay, and then you move on. Okay, so this tells you what to do with your profiles. Um, this shows you how to view other people's profile. You can view my profile. This is creating your profile. It looks like you did that because your picture's there. Um, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this showed you how to get into the forums. We'll go over that in just a second. Okay. Um, Same thing here. It explains exactly what you need to be, how to participate in the forum, where to click. Like if you click here, I'll show you that in just a second. We're good here. This is how you do it. You click on reply, and this is where you type. And this tells you if you like what's going on in the forum, always give us a like up. I like to see like up likes, and this is the end of your unit. Okay, so this is where. All right, so when you finish any unit, okay, and when you see your little palomita here, then you'll click this. This tab will close, and it'll take you back to the site. So we close here. You can see the little updating here. And so see, now you're 100% finished. Okay? So it's the same thing. You just go through unit by unit and you do it one by one by one. Okay? So this needs to be finished. Okay? But for right now, today and tomorrow, focus on module 2. Okay? I sent you an email about module 2. Okay? Same thing, you'll start, click right here at start, you go through and complete the exercises. Um, Okay, you go through here, you read. Okay, click on every single one of these, read everything. Okay, and so these are just very simple. You select what this is and then click on finish. If you don't like it, for example, you click on that and you click finish. Okay, it's right here, it tells you. Okay. If you want to start over, you just click try again and you can do it all over. Okay. Listening activities. Another listening. Here are the scripts. Okay. And then so these, like you'll put in order. Okay. And they just move around. And then once you fix that, you click on finish. It's going to tell you that's 0 out of 4. And so what do you want to do? You want to try again. Okay. And then just keep working until you finish. And then you'll be finished. Okay. So that's how the modules work. Okay. Or the units work inside the modules. Close that. Go back here. Boom. Okay. So here you need to go through that again because I was I was doing that for you, okay? Because you got a 0 here, so you need to kind of do that again, okay? But that's how that works. So that's how to work in the modules. So now let's talk about the forum, okay? So here is the forum. So we click on the forum. Let's click here. There we go. This is how to do it. Sorry. All right, so it's kind of strange. It shouldn't be working like this. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, so to work in the course content, you need to click here on your learning path and then go here. This isn't taking you where it needs to be, so you need to click here in forums. Okay, and then this is our particular forum. Okay, and so this was our getting started unit. Okay, this was our live session. Okay, reflection on the live session. I really would appreciate if you go in there and take a look at that. And this is what we're doing right now. Okay, so let's just go here on the getting started unit. A little bit slow. Okay, so here's my initial post. Okay, these are my instructions. Okay, and this is what I ask you to do, right? So how do you reply to how do you get started posting? Well, you click reply, scroll down, and then this is where you will post. Okay, so you'll write right here, and then you click reply. So when you click reply, you'll start seeing other people's posts. Okay, you see Sandra, blah blah blah. Okay, so then you read everybody's post and you start interacting with somebody. So how do you interact with people? So let's just say for you wanted to say what you liked about Maria's posts. Well, sorry, that's your post. No, sorry, that's not your post. Here, so let's just say I just saw the Espinosa. So you click reply. So do the same thing. You'll type right here and then click reply. It's just that simple. Okay. Hope that helps. If you need any more help, let me know.